Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fastly Control Center, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the Fastly Control Center. Press enter to navigate to the page. On the home page, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure to check for any typos in your email and password. Once you have confirmed your credentials, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the Fastly Control Center dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your email. After logging in, you can explore the different features available in the Control Center. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. Should you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or contact Fastly support for assistance. You are now ready to manage your services in the Fastly Control Center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.